Hey guys, welcome to another day in Camp House Barbecue. Today I'm going to be putting, I know we've done some barbecue lately, some chicken quarters and all that stuff, and my wife said it's time for some tacos. You know, we love our tacos. I think we have a sign somewhere out here that says life is always much better with tacos. So today I'm going to make a taco, mini street tacos that I like to make. They're called PorkyPollo tacos, which is pork and chicken, which is pollo is in Spanish. So I got here some country style pork ribs, and I got here some boneless chicken thighs. And what I'm gonna do with these, I'm gonna get the juices of the orange juice and the limes, and I'm gonna put some cilantro and onions. I'm gonna make a marinade, and I'm gonna let them sit in that marinade for a while, and then I'm gonna take them out to grill them. And then of course we're gonna dust them a little bit on top with this alamo dust from Crawford's barbecue. But yeah, today's mini tacos are gonna be called PorkyPollo. PorkyPollo. In other words, pork and chicken. PorkyPollo. PorkyPollo. Alright guys, so let's check back. We'll start getting these marinades going, and then I'll check back here in a bit. Alright guys, so I'm gonna cut up my oranges and bring the juice in there. So these are just regular oranges I'll probably use. So right now I've got 3. I doubt they'll feed in my juicer. Maybe they will. I'm gonna use 3, see what it looks like, and if I need more, I'll put some more. Alright. Now I'm going to work on my limes. I'll probably use 4 limes for now. See what it looks like. Alright guys, now I'm going to cut up my onion. Like I said, I'm just going to use half an onion. Take this off. First layer out. Like I said, this one doesn't have to be nothing perfect. Just you know, just so it's just to open it up, cut it up to give it some flavor inside of the mix. Okay, now I'm gonna add my cilantro. Like I said, probably just do a bushel. I'll probably do the whole bushel, but it's just coarsely chopped, just to get them oils releasing out of that cilantro. When you chop them up, seems to like it gives it more flavoring. Give it a good mix. Now I'm going to put this into a Ziploc bag, and I'm going to add my meat. So I'm going to divide it up, and then I'll add my meat, guys. Alright, so we're going to let it set for about a few, I'm going to try to let it set for 2 hours. If you can, preferably let it sit overnight, but I'm gonna buy it right now. I'm gonna rush, gotta get a little hungry and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna divide this into Ziploc bags, and then I'm gonna put the meat in them in each bag, and then let them set a couple hours, and then we'll check back on the grill. All right, guys. So I've got them marinated here in that brine that I did earlier, and now we're just gonna put it on here. Got a little shrimp in here for some appetizers. I got my buddy, he came in. I hadn't seen this fella in about 2 years. We're high school buddies. He was in my cook-off team, and you know, he started working and lives took a hold of us, and finally got around. We've been trying to get around for this past year, and we finally got around to it. So I'll put some of these onions on top, that way they can caramelize. We're hanging out today, throwing cans. Let me put some of this. All right, guys, so I'm gonna put a little bit of this Crawford's Alamo dust on top to give it a little color, add a little salt, pepper to it. And see how it comes out. I'm gonna let them roll right now. I'm gonna leave the lid off a little bit so that drum can get a little wound down. I'm trying to get them cooking fast, so we'll check back here in a bit, guys. All right, guys, so they've been on, I'm gonna say 4 minutes, maybe 5 minutes. We're gonna give them a first turn. Like I said, I got them going fast, kind of asada style. You can hear the grilling, the sizzle of it. He's rolling. My mini drum is rolling. I'm cooking without the lid today. We're gonna dust the backs of them too, just a little bit. For a little flavor. All right, guys, so she's rolling. We'll check back here in a bit once we get a little close to the internal temp we want. All right, guys, so we got the chicken out. I'm gonna chop one up here. Like I said, this is all just boneless chicken thighs. And then I got this on. These are country style pork ribs. And I'm gonna mix them together. And I'm gonna make the PorkyPollo taco. Alright, guys, so I got it all chopped up. I'm gonna get some tortillas and put the tacos together, and we'll check back here in a bit. So we're gonna plate up our taquitos. Sorry about the bad lighting. Maybe I can make it work somehow. Alright, guys, so we're gonna plate up these tacos. What I did with the mini tortillas, I went ahead and I got some of this queso acero, put the tortillas in the comal, and let that cheese melt a little bit, as you can tell. Oh, almost lost them. All right, so let me plate this and move over. She can move. My camera girl's new, I guess. So we got our mix of pork and chicken. These are gonna be PorkyPollo tacos. So there's some big chunks on there. What we're gonna do there, we're gonna get some of this Pico de Gallo. Pico de Gallo right on top. Get a little spoonful on each one. Right here. Alright, we got that on. We're going to give it a little walk. I mean, I know it's not walk. This is just straight avocado and salt. That's all it is. Smashed up together. That's it. Shake it off there. And put it right on the top. Oh, that one rolled off. We'll get it. It'll get right on there. Alright guys, hold on, give me a minute. We're gonna get some of this walk right on here. Some of this crema. That crema is just gonna go right on top. Alright guys, so let's stick around and we'll be back for the taste test. Alright guys, so we got them plated up. I've got special taste testers today. We got Elena, my friend's daughter. Say hi.
Hi.
And we got Miley, my daughter.
Hello.
And my daughter Elaine. So
hi.
We're gonna have this taste test together, guys. So that's my plate right there. We're gonna see how it goes, guys. Alright, grab y'all's tacos. Cheers. Cheers, cheers. Alright.
This is good.
Pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah, a little messy because we got a lot of stuff piled up on there, but they're not bad, guys. Take another bite. Like this grilled onion. Not bad. Yeah? A little messy, but they're good, right? Hey guys, I appreciate all the love and support, all the likes, shares, and comments. And if y'all like this one, you are new to this channel, make sure I hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for all the notifications. And we'll catch you on the next one.